What's up, guys? It's Laser back with another video. Okay, guys, I got some presents today. Actually, I got one that's on Christmas Day. I'm feeling I know what this is. What? Oh yeah, I didn't put it in. I think it gives you a frozen present pack. Oh, it gives me 2 more. Oh, that is awesome. I get 2 more presents for the next time. Alright, guys, now I got 1 more left. Yo, don't give me cat, people. Don't give me cat. This trick always works. I don't want them to give me cat, guys. Okay, guys, so this is... I want to get my 86 overall free player, but I have to do it in 4 days. So probably tonight when I'm off scene, I'll finish this. Then I'll finish 86 overall elite, and I'll make a video about it. And I sold some players to get 341 cones. Okay, guys. This trick sometimes works. I wait 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No lip! Ah! Wait, I didn't even open it. No lip! Oh. Carl Anthony Towns. I see how you want to do me. You want to do me trash. What is my lineup now? You know what? I'd rather not have Carl Anthony Towns. Maybe I can sell him. How much does Cat go for? Okay, guys, I didn't even realize I was still on. Guys, I have to find Carl Anthony Towns, but how am I supposed to find him? Okay, I'm coming in a second. Oh, he's under town? Okay, so he's under town? Wait, the new NBA player, wait, he's under town? How is he under one name? I really don't get that, but he only goes for 450. I'm keeping him. I changed my mind. I want this guy in my lineup. Wait, I have a good idea. I want Carl Anthony Towns in my starting lineup. Wait, but he gets a boost in the other lineup. Man, what is going on right now? He gets a boost now, he's an 84. Okay, guys, my lineups are looking pretty good. I want to sell Manute Bol. I mean, Manute Bol. Why am I calling him Manute? Okay, guys, I'm about to sell this guy. Okay, I think that's a good number. I think that's good. I think I sold him for the right amount. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. And now I'll send one more player, you know. Wait, this video's been going on for 5 minutes already. I have to end this real quick. I have to head out. I have to head out. I have to go ice skating. That might work for Brian Scalabrine. Can I have Allen Iverson in my lineup right now? You know what? I think I will put him in. Okay, I'm coming. Alright, guys. I have to head out. Peace.